How to add mute items on Mona 6 and filter unwanted content from your feed. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you how to add mute items on Mona 6 and filter unwanted content from your feed. First, open the Mona for Mastodon app on your device and make sure you are on the home screen. Once the app opens, look at the bottom navigation bar where you can see Home, Notifications, Explore, Search, and more. Before adding mute items, you can briefly explore the app sections available inside Mona 6. Tap Notifications if you want to review your alerts and mentions. After that, tap Explore to discover trending posts and communities. You can also tap Search if you need to find users, posts, or hashtags quickly. Now, to continue with filtering content, tap the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This section contains additional tools and account settings available inside the app. After tapping More, a menu will appear, showing several options, including Settings, Mute Items, Drafts, Bookmarks, Favorites, Profile, Messages, and more. From this menu, locate and tap Mute Items to continue. Once you open the Mute Items section, you can manage content filters that help control what appears in your feed. This feature is useful if you want to reduce distractions or avoid seeing certain words, topics, users, or content types while browsing. Inside the Mute Items page, follow the available options and tap the Add or Create option if you want to include a new muted item. Then, type the word, phrase, or content you want to filter from your timeline. For example, if there is a topic or keyword you do not want appearing in your feed, you can add it to the mute list so Mona filters it automatically. After entering the item, confirm the settings and save your changes. Your mute preferences will then apply and help keep your browsing experience cleaner and more comfortable. Short tip: review your mute list regularly so you can update filters and keep your feed clean.